Guys, how do we solve this intimidating math problem? We'll start by taking logarithm of both sides. So we have log of x to the power of x to the power of 999 equals log of 999. And now don't forget, due to the law of logarithm, we're going to have x to the power of 999 log x equals log of 999. And then let us go ahead to multiply both sides by 999. So we have that multiplying this log x, and that equals 999 times log of 999. And then let's go ahead to switch these coefficients. So we can just rewrite as x to the power of 999 then times 999 log x, and that equals 999 times log of 999. So according to the law of logarithm, we can take this power up, and then we have x to the power of 999 times log of x all to the power of 999. That's according to the law of logarithm, which states that a log b is the same thing as log b to the power of a. Then this equals 999 times log of 999. If you have really sharp eyes, the solution is very obvious from here. When we watch this closely, we have the coefficient and the logarithm having the same value, so as the coefficient here and the logarithm here having the same value. So we can just make use of a direct comparison and say that x to the power of 999 must be equal to 999. So from here now, we can go ahead to multiply the power of both sides by 1 all over 999, and that gives us 999 all to the power of 1 times 1 all over 999. And then moving further here, we can just say 999 cancels 999, so we're left with x to be equals 999 to the power of 1 all over 999. And we can rewrite this as 999 root of 999 as our final and only solution. Guys, if this makes sense, don't forget to subscribe and do well to have a good day. Thank you.